Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone lagging issue after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste your time. First of all, fix this issue. So iPhone lagging issue, first solution you have, update your app. One of the first thing you should do is update all your apps. The old versions of apps might hinder working with the new iOS 17.1, which can affect your iPhone's performance and then cause problem like iPhone lagging after iOS 17. Here is how to do it. So then you have open the app store and then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have click on app store icon ID. Wait a few seconds, then he's starting and then you have click on app store icon. So you have scroll up, then you have update all from here apps and then automatically update app all when you have available on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have clear history and caches. Over time your iPhone accumulates a lot of data from your browsing history and app usage. Unnecessary cached data can cause your iPhone to slow down after the update. Here is how to clear your history and caches. So you have open the settings, so then you have scroll up, then you have click on Safari, so then you have scroll up, then clear history and website data from here, then you have click here and then clear history all the website data on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have clean your iPhone storage. If your iPhone is running low on storage space, you might be thinking an iOS 17 slowing down my iPhone, or it could just be the space issues. To free up space, so you have open the setting again, then you have cancel from here. So then you have click on general, click on iPhone storage, then you have not usage app or unused app. Any videos is not work for you, then you have delete from here unusage app, unusage any videos, so then you have delete from here. Then fourth solution, you have turn off background app refresh. Background app refresh burdens the devices and uses most of the memory and RAM of the iPhone, so it is advisable to turn off this feature when you face a difficulty while using the iPhone. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh, then click here and then turn off. I have already turned off. The last solution, you have how to reboot your iOS device. Important touch screen lagging after iOS 17 update or iOS 16 update. Some versions usually a small problem can fix by rebooting iPhone. Only you have to use your finger intelligently. So then you have press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see a Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 90 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.